Good morning. This is Frank with Trade Stalkers, December 17th. It's about 7:50 Central Standard Time. First of all, let's look at the overnight open here. Looks like we open about 59. So for the next 3 to 5 minutes, we're going to look at targets to the upside, targets to the downside, and possible areas of consolidation. Had a big move yesterday. It looks like it kind of moved down and settled right back into our zone and support here at that 59 level. Kind of crossed over it a couple times through the night, and then over at about 2 o'clock, it just kind of slowly started creeping up. Got this move. We talked about this 72 area yesterday, with this zone being a very tough one. Hit that overnight, and we pulled all the way back to the VWAP. With news this morning, we had weekly jobless claims at 7:30. We also had Philly Fed Business Outlook survey at 7:30. Not much really activity. We're just kind of bouncing off of this. These really didn't have that much effect off the 24-hour VWAP right back into the zone. So right away, pre-market, we had a couple things to look at. We can look at this as a bounce off of this area, and we're going to continue high. At which point, we're going to be looking for this resistance right here at 2072.25 again, and possibly pull another pullback into this area, and then right up to 77.50 and on up to our future targets today, 84.75 to 86 area. I don't expect the biggest move as yesterday, but we could get some move to the upside with this today. Possible targets all the way up to 95.96 today would be about the last target I would see for target 3 today or something like that. So to the downside, if we fail this and this comes down to this 24-hour VWAP and closes below it, going to come down and retest this resistance, this big zone here, all the way down to this pivots and other zones, and down into our overnight low. So this area, once we close it, we get into this area, could from here to here, the 2861 down to our overnight low, 51. That's a 5 point area. Could be some consolidation and a lot of volatility. Be careful, be cautious in this area. Wait for the market to make a decision what it wants to do today, and then go with it. And if you're a counter trend trader, wait for those good pullbacks, good zones, good zones here to go counter trend trades. Puts the odds in your favors. So if once we get below this area in here, get a close below 2058.75. We're going to look down, obviously, for this morning low, possibly double or triple bottom, depending on what we look at this morning, for a bounce back to the high side. However, if we close below this, we're going to start looking for targets to the low side. Don't see anything in the news that will drive that down today, but anything's possible. The market has a mind of its own. So, want everybody to be cautious today. If you have any questions, contact me at frank@tradestalkers.com. Have a great day.